Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al once again. Got a challenge locking device. It is number 26 by Mr. Chris Ahrens. And I got to tell you, this lock is a real pain in my ass. I hope you ain't getting tired of hearing this, but it's camera shy. I shit you not. I picked this thing off camera and turned the camera on, and I had an epic fail. So this is another attempt on camera. And by the way, like I said, this is number 26, and I have a number 40 by Chris Ahrens that he sent me a while back, and I'm gonna have to just pass on this one because I can't pick it to save my life. So, like I said, this is number 40. I'm gonna pass this on to someone else in the community real soon here. I'm gonna consider this one whipped because I just can't do it, man. I mean, it's just got me. So we're gonna try this 26 and see if we can't get it on camera. Let's see what we can do here. Zoomed in good? Yeah, we're good enough. Like I said, I got this sucker open a little bit ago, and I said, okay, we'll get that one on, make a video, and bada boom, bada bang, it was an epic fail. I am going to go counterclockwise again because that's what worked before, and I'm going to try this. I don't know what it's called. It's one of the sparrows. It's kind of like banana shaped almost. I don't know what they're called. I don't recall the names of all them picks. I got so many picks, it's insane. All right, going in. Four, I think. I think it's only a 5-pinner too to top it off, so it's really got me puzzled. A little 5. It's binding, but nope. Okay, we got a false set, but I've had that before. I can't seem to get out of it, and I just don't know why. Let me try a different pick, maybe. Try the gem. See if the gem will get me out of this mess. Definitely something funky. Got some counter right there. I want to say it's on. Well, I had some counter. Right here. 3 maybe. See if we can't save it. Nope. Lost it. Got it back. Yep. Real pain in my butt, man. Counter again. Yep. Then we lose the false set. There is something really funky in here. I have a feeling it's probably one of those like a 2-piece pin, because they will pick well, it'll seem like they pick different each time you pick it, because the pieces kind of move around in there. You know, if they have a sleeve, they'll feel different each time you pick on them. Oh, lost that false set again. Got it back again. I'll tell you what, man. This thing's a trip. Lost it again. Got it back again. Lost it again. Nope, I can't seem to keep it alive. Alright. Okay, got it in that false set again. See if we can't wiggle it into place. There we go. I'll be damned. Jesus. Alright. We are keeping that, I'll tell you what. Alright. Let me back it out a little bit here. Jeez, I don't know what kind of time that was, but hell with it. I'm keeping that. Alright, let's get this over here out the way. Get this down over here. Golly, man. Holy smackaroli, man. Alright. Should be good about right here. Get that out of the way over there. Get a pinning tray. We got blue. Blue is good. I mean red. Blue. Red. I was looking at the blue one when I picked this one up. Alright, we got very much open. Fair enough. So we got a key. Yeah, we do. I didn't even show the key, I don't think. There it is right there. That's how I got it. A little tag on it. And you can try it working. Works like butter. Alright, so let's get this sucker off the back here and see what kind of madness is inside. I have a feeling, like I said, I'm going to take a wild guess and say there's a two-piece pin in here, but I wouldn't really have a clue. Little spring, okay. Key. I will try to use a shim as always. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, little 5-pinner, like I said. Looks like they all needed picking. Not much on one, but they all needed to be picked. Get them laid out here and we'll get a close-up on all this fancy stuff here. 2 and a 3 and a 4. And while I'm taking this apart here and getting them laid out, I want to mention I did the drawing for the 200 subscriber giveaway today. It was freaking awesome, and the winner was, who was it? Jason Carlson. Yep, freaking badass. Okay, little pokey. Let's take a look. We've got, oh yeah. Okay, see, I don't know. Oh yeah, they are undercut. Okay, yep, and they're done really nice. Or counter milling. I don't know what that's. I don't know if that's called the same thing or not. Golly, those are done good. Almost looks like a machine did them. So yeah, they're I guess counter milled or undercut on 1, 2, 3, and 5. Really freaking awesome looking, man. Seriously, it looks like a machine did it. Golly, I'm gonna try to get that on the camera. Hopefully you can see that. Freaking wicked good, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go up top and see what's in store for us here. Yep, nice little sharp edges on that little bad boy right there. And number 1 looks like a steel spring. Where are we at? Over here. Number 2, another wicked looking piece of work. Nice. Looks like a, actually those look, I don't know if they're steel or something of the sort. Oh my goodness, yep. And that just flipped over, but I don't think it, oh yeah, it does matter. So I'm guessing it was that way, if I had to guess. Super serrated. Really deep. Try to, well, we'll get a close-up on them too, but wicked cool. Stubborn little spring. That was 3, so 4. Keep it upright. Looks like a standard. No, they're reduced. Just to give you that little bit of where you got to pick them like 2 or 3 times to actually get them picked. We'll get a close-up. And we'll go to the back for number 5. Oh yeah, stay up. There we go. Yep, another little beast of burden. Number 5 and the spring. Standard springs. Okay, I'm gonna guess there's nothing done in here, but 3, 4, and 5. Nothing done in the Bible or the top part. Alrighty, freaking badass. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. Let's get that laid over there. Chris Ahrens, number 26. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Wicked cool, man. Wicked cool. I'm so glad I got that on camera. Alright. Let's go a little bit in. Good enough. Okay. Key pins. We've got this nicely, almost like, well, it's serrated right here, and it's got this cone-shaped spool action with a sharp top. 2's a standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard. Drivers. We got this, you can almost call that double spooled, man. Or 2 wide serrations. I don't know. You can call that either one, really. It's more spooled. And then 2 is this cool looking. It is spooled right here, but it's not real deep. And then a serration on the end here. Golly. And then 3 is this really cool. They're real deep. It's just got, it's almost skeletonized. See, again, I don't know. Would you call that multi-serrated or you know, triple spooled? I don't know. It's pretty badass though. And this is that one I was saying, it's kind of reduced at the end. where you kind of, when you're picking it, you almost have to pick it like 2 or 3 times to get it past the deal there. And then 5, I call that a serration and spool, because that's definitely spool right there with a sharp end on it. And all the springs do look standard. I think they're, well, they're not, well, that one's magnetic. But the other ones, and they all look the same, but these look like they're made out of something else. Yeah, but that one's steel for sure. Alright, there we go. Another close-up on these pins real quick, if I can figure out where the camera's at. Okay, there we go. Number, what was it, 26 by Mr. Chris Ahrens. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and all that good stuff, y'all. I highly appreciate it. Alright, Big Al, signing out.